What's something people don't know about successful entrepreneurs? They find inspiration in nature's beauty. Imagine standing at the edge of a breathtaking waterfall. That rush of water? It's just like the flow of ideas in a successful mind. Successful people harness nature's energy to fuel their dreams. From the resilience of trees to the persistence of rivers, nature teaches us patience and perseverance. Entrepreneurs take these lessons to heart. They find clarity in the quiet of the mountains and creativity in the vibrant hues of a sunset. Next time you're stuck, take a walk outside. Listen to the wind, watch the waves, and let nature spark your next big idea. Success isn't just about hard work, it's about working smart. And sometimes the smartest move is to step out into the world and let nature show you the way. Unlock your potential, discover success in the beauty around you. Remember, the world is your classroom. Embrace it. GG.